What's good with it, my niggas? Look what the fuck I got. You gotta sell a kidney to get one of these motherfuckers, you feel me? Like, you can't find them anywhere. And there's like 4 flavors. So I got the tropical rain. I'm sure you guys had that one before. The fuck is this scoop? It got a lid on the scoop. Okay, that's fancy. We gotta talk about scoop. I don't need this shit. All right. 1 scoop. 2 scoop. 3 scoop. 4 motherfucking scoops. I like to see one of you bitch ass niggas do that. I think y'all are too afraid. Your little tiny hearts are gonna give out and shit. I fill that bitch up with cold water. Now I'm going to give it a little taste test before I chug. I have problems with lids. I don't know how they work. And I'm missing the little metal bit. So I gotta shake extra hard. I think it's good. Little taste test. Y'all niggas are bragging about the taste. I doubt it's even that good. Really strong. Okay, it's alright. Bet it tastes better without less scoops, you feel me? Okay. Easy. Y'all won't do it though. You got weak hearts, unlike mine. Peace.